Hi guys, it's Stacy, and it's been a while. I'm here today with a Hobby Lobby haul. Have a few things that I picked up today, and I'll show them to you. I got this Winterland Cabin paper pad, 6x6, $5.49, half off of that. So what's that? $2.75. And I got this Oh Holy Night, which has foil for $5.99, which would have made that $2.99. And I will do a quick flip through. Isn't that cute? Let's see. And it looks like there's 3 sheets of each. And the green there. And the trees. I love the trees. You can create scene cards on there. But you guys know I'm all about making a scene card. Not about making a scene card. Aw, this is cute. I didn't even notice this. Like branches that make snowflakes. And you guys have probably all seen these. Big chair. Ooh, that one's pretty. Trees. Plaid. Aw, it's little cabins and trailers, little camper trailers. So cute. Anytime I see a camper trailer like that, it reminds me of Kim from Kimbo's Creations. And some more type of plaid. That one's pretty. They had a lot of pretty paper. I only got the 2. I was really proud of myself. Oh, look at the little paw prints. You can make a critter card out of this. You could have a bear. Could be a dog. I'd most likely do a bear though, especially with all the bear stamps I have. Might do that. Here's some plaid. It's pretty. Poinsettia, is that how you say it? Poinsettia. That's pretty too because it's got the blue in the background. Some more plaid, stripes. Oh, the lanterns, those are pretty. Use one of the light up kits and make this a light up card. And some blue palette lead. Okay, and then I got this one because there was a paper pack I got last year that had very similar. But it was the big 8x8 or something like that. 6x8. Anyway. Oh, that's pretty with the angels. And the foiled doves carrying the olive branch. Pretty. Ooh, it's got the gold foiling in it. That's really pretty. That paper alone in this pad might be worth the price of admission. That's gold foiled too. There's 3 each in this one as well. Is it repeating itself? I think it is, guys. Okay, so the difference is, I think, is this one is different. It's got the writing and then the foil. Then you have some gold snowflakes, this plaid. Okay, so they're very similar every so often. These are, you could cut these out and make sentiment strips out of them. And they're foiled, so no hot foil machine or toner needed. Snowflakes. More angels. And this has foiling in it as well. Ooh, that's pretty. And here's the doves with olive branches. I think this one's a darker color. The other one was a lighter blue. And that's into that one. Okay. And then, let's see. What I did was I picked up a lot of these little different kits to make with the littles, so with the grandkids. I thought they would have fun putting these together, and I probably have a lot of this stuff, like most of us, to put together, or to use, but the kits were just there, and 50% off was $1.49 is what they charge, and you get 6 ornaments out of it. I think the kids will have fun with this. So there was this one I got. I got some wood beads. I figure they're painted. I don't have to paint them. I don't have to worry about the kids getting paint everywhere. So, and we'll have to see how the video comes out, guys, because this is an iPhone. And it's the new G-Wiz iPhone 16, and I've never had an iPhone, so we're going to see if I like it. I'm going to try editing on it, which I did throw together a video before, and it, oh my gosh, it was so fast and really nice. So what I did was I got some of these different ones that the kids could paint or color, and then I picked up a box of these, and this was the only box, but they're all good in there. These chalk markers. And I figured it'd be less messy. They could color with them just like if it was crayons or pencils or markers or whatever. So I got these and these markers. Did I get that in frame? And it comes with 24 colors, which is nice. And the nibs on them are the bigger nibs. So I will open one and show you. Now I haven't primed them yet. And I'm going to wait until the kids are here in case they dry up quickly. But chalk paint is typically pretty opaque, and I figured I could use them because you can use them on glass and whatnot, but then they'll become like dry erase and you can erase them. But on the wood, I imagine they're probably permanent, and if they're not, I've got sealant. So I know these are just little foamies, but I figured the kids would have fun. So it comes with 6, 2 of each, the polar bear, the reindeer, and the penguin. And I got 2 of those, and those were $1.99. This was 99 cents, and it comes with enough to make 6, and a little reindeer. Those are cute. Has a little nose you can pop out, so it'll be a sparkly glitter nose. I didn't even look that closely at him. I've got other stuff too, not just these kits, so I'll get to it. Hopefully this will show up. Let me move this. This is just a paper bag kit, which I totally have paper bags. I totally have paper. I could cut this stuff out. I have googly eyes. I have all this stuff, but it was already put together for $2.50. And I figured the kids can put them together and we can either make cookies or some sort of snacks, or they can put their ornaments that they make and put them in the bag and take them home with them. Okay, that I thought would be fun. I have different ideas for this too, because there's probably more than enough, but it looks like there's 2 different styles. One with polka dots. Oh, there's 3. Then you have like the leaf shape or the drop shape, and then those. These my husband encouraged me to get because I'm gonna show you an ornament I started making out of air dry clay, and I sculpted it. So he said, why don't you try getting that and sculpting on top of it? We're going to see if it works. And for anybody who's just looking for the bells, $1.49. There's 6 in here. But I got these for the kids. They're supposed to make necklaces. They can wear it. They can hang it on the tree. They can do whatever they want. And then I got these reindeer, which are just foamies, and $1 for this, 99 cents. And it makes 12 of them. I can say that when my kids were little, that all their ornaments that are on the tree, that might even till today that are on the tree, are the ones they made at school or daycare. And I still have them on our tree. And they're my favorite. And they last. I mean, I've got foam ones, I've got popsicle stick ones, all kinds of different ones. Puzzle piece ones with pictures. These I figure the kids could do, but I could also do, I want to try doing it with some glitter and then some of that triple thick and paint it, and then or even do a paint pour on those and then do the triple thick over it and see what it looks like with glitter. And then there's these, and so those were 99 cents. This is $1.24, $1.25 for this one. This one's got 2 of each, so 12 count. The Gingy, the reindeer popping out of the present, a penguin, an elf, Santa, and then a baking snowman. That's cute. I didn't even really pay attention. So I figure with the paint markers, they can paint them, have fun. I have other stuff here for them to do that I picked up before. Which I have like these, you know, the bulbs that are the clear ornaments that look like bulbs. I have some of those for them, and I'm going to have them fill them with either like candy or paper shred or something. And then I'm going to have them wrap around and make antlers out of this and put a pom-pom on for the nose. And then we'll glue some googly eyes and make reindeer out of those. And let's see. I'm going to show you guys these, and I'm going to show you an ornament I made with air dry clay that I'm currently working on, that I sculpted. So I got some of these. There's 8 of these, and that's what I'm planning on doing with these, is with the air dry clay. So they're lighter. That was $2.50. Same thing with these. There's 12 in there. Boy, can you guys even see with it being that close to the camera? Probably not. Should have thought this would be better, but these ornaments are 3.15 inches. And there's 12 in here. So I'll show you the ornament I'm currently working on. And these were $4.49. Because you know everything at Hobby Lobby is 50% off for Christmas. Here's some stuff I got to work with the clay. Boy, I need a bigger desk, guys. I've got 2. The other one has the computer on it. I got some E6000 so I could glue the eye hooks onto my ornaments into the air dry clay, and they'll be secure. I got some wire to make armature for arms or legs. I thought these were cool for $3.49 to try these different clay cutting blades, and the crinkled one. This was for the kids and myself for when we do the ornaments. I got this kit there. I figured, you know, what the heck. It's only 14 bucks. It has all these different pieces, which I have a few clay tools, but I thought for 14 bucks, why not? And I got this cowl that my husband found for someone in our community that loves cows. And she's going through some stuff. Her dad's got brain cancer and it's terminal. So my husband found this, and I thought, you know, we drop it off with some other stuff because I know it'll make her day. But I'm going to push it. If you don't like loud noises, then I would... Let's see if I can I show you guys? Can you see him? Ready?
Don't just stand there, bust a move. Bust a move. Don't just stand there, bust a move.
Okay. Isn't it cute? So I think she'll like that. And then let me show you the ornament I'm working on. Right now I'm working on this ornament here, which is not painted, it's not completely dried. I'm using air dry clay. Last year I showed a haul from Hobby Lobby that I was going to work on ornaments with. And I did, and in July I shared some ornaments I made with these clear bobbles, which what I'll do is I'll pull those out and share them with you guys too. And if you want me to go more in depth, I can share them again. But I think I shared them on the Saturday morning makes. So this guy, he's not quite dry, and it's going to be a snowman. So he will be painted, and you know, he's got his crooked nose. I wanted the carrot to be crooked. My son says he looks kind of spooky right now, but I want him to look like he was blowing air because he's cold with his puffy cheeks and his hat. So he'll get painted, and then I will age him with some wax, some Waverly wax, and I'll come back and show him. He's got some gloss here around his nose because it was kind of weak. I didn't attach it real well, so I added glue. So it's really got to dry before I can paint it. But isn't it cool? Like, it's my first sculpting. I think he came out pretty good. He's got his chin here, his cheeks, his hat. So when he's all finished, I'll bring him back. And that's what I got the eye hooks for in the E6000, and so I could put him in the top so he could be hung. But those same bobbles, I made these, and these are made with gesso and chalk paint and the, you know, antiquing wax and some gems and pearls and just paper. This is paper cardstock cutout, and basically I used I think Mod Podge on the top to seal it, and then I painted and sanded and, you know, roughed it up. Here's one. And some of you might have already saw this because I would have shared these on a different, I shared them on a different video. So if you want a more in-depth look or how I did them, look for that video. And I didn't paint these tops because they're like silver. They're aluminum silver, real thin, you know, the stuff that comes on them. I used embossing ink and embossing powders, and then I put the antiquing wax on top. But, you know, I'm going to do some more of these. I have some clay molds that I want to do to use the air dry clay in the same fashion like this, but instead of paper, a cardstock air dry clay. And here's another one. This was probably one of my favorite, these two. That one too, I like the Joy one. Oh, this one I do. I like this one too. And I wiped a little bit extra of the antiquing wax away to make it look like a moon. And I didn't do it on this side, just the one with the moon. And then this one I did, which I put gems on one side because I didn't really like this one. But trying to make myself like it. So that's everything I have to share today. I'll come back and share this guy when he's done. I have him on my Instagram too, so I'll probably share pictures there when he's completed too. So, you know, if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!